In this video, I am going to discuss heap sort algorithm with an example. Let us consider the example. Here, data is given 4, 10, 3, 5, 1. We need to construct the max heap first. 4 is added. First insert 4, then 10. We need to add left child, then right child. That is 4, then 10. But we need to construct max heap. So here, child is greater than the parent value. So we need to swap this. This is 10 and 4. Next 3 is added. There is left and right. Now the 10 is greater than 4 and 3. Next one is 3 and next one is 5. 10, 4, 3 and the left child of 4. Now 4 and 5 are swapped. So that is equal to 10, 5, 4 and this one is 3. Now next one is 1. 1 is added. One is the right child of 5. Now this is the max heap. So first of all, we need to construct the max heap. So max heap is 10, 5, 3, 4 and 1. Now we need to delete the elements from the max heap one by one. Delete the root of the element. Now first delete is delete 10. We need to delete root, that is delete 10. When 10 is deleted, then 1 will be the temporary root. The last node is 1. So 1, this is 1, this is 5, this is 3, and this is 4. Now 10 is deleted, so 10 will be placed at the end of the array, that is 10. Now we need to consider the tree to build max heap again. This is the max. This is not a max heap, so we need to construct this max heap. So 5 will be the next root, 5, and then 4, and then it is 5, 4, 1, and now it is 3 remain at the same. Now we need to delete next root again, that is 5. Delete 5, and the next temporary is 1. Again, 1 will be the root. 1, 4 and 3. 5 is deleted. 5 will be the number next before the 10. This is the array. There are 5 elements in the array. Every time we delete the element, it is placed at the end of the array. Now delete again. We need to before deletion of this tree, we need to construct this max heap. Here 4 will be the new root. 4 and 1, then it is 3. Now 3 is the last element, so delete here. Delete a root. Root means 4. Now when 4 is deleted, then 3 will be the last element, so 3 will be the new root. And 3 and 1. The array is that is 10, 5, then 4 is inserted here. Now this is already in max heap. 3 and 1, so delete 3 again. Delete 3, the 1 is the last node. Now this is 3, 4, 5 and 10. All element are deleted. Now finally there is one single element, so delete. This is delete 1. So 1, 3, 5, 4, 5, 10 is sorted. So this is known as heap sort algorithm. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it.